Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. This one is the Integrated Urgent Care Aggregate Data Collection. So let's have a look what we have. 900,000 rows as at the time of recording. Data going back to April 2019. There's 4 tables. This one I've highlighted is no longer getting new data, so I'm just querying the other 3. So we've got ADC Official Statistics, and you can get an idea of what's in there. There's codes here, which I'll come back to in a minute. And there's Provisional Stats subset of the complete monthly IUC ADC. Again, that's using codes. Also, you might notice a typo there in the table name. It's extremely rare for that to slip through Facts and Dimensions. Once it was spotted, customers were already using it and everyone agreed that they'd rather we just left the spelling in there rather than everyone coding to a new table name. So fair enough. And this is the dimension table. We've got the codes. If I just scroll through so you can have a look at the sorts of things that are in there. There's another page. There you go. So that's it really. Thanks.